Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that Sheila is driving at a constant speed of x kilometer per hour. So we have the speed x kilometer per hour, so this will be my s, and at this point, right, it is important to take note of the relationship between distance, time and graph. Distance is equals to speed times time. Alright, and so now we are required to find the time taken given that the distance travel is 300 km per hour. So the time taken, T, is equal to distance, D, divided by speed. That's how you look at this graph. Alright, and the distance we do have 300. Okay, 300 will be over my speed. In this case is x. And there you are. Alright, so the final answer would then be 300 over x. And we have just leave the answer in terms of x. Now, if she drives for 2 hours and 30 minutes, right? Express her distance travel in terms of s. So now we are given the time. And since the speed is written in hours, step 1 would then be, we do need to do some conversion. This one will be equals to 2.5 hours. And to find distance, going back to that triangle at the top, distance would then be equals to, so my distance traveled in this case now would then be speed is x multiplied by time, 2.5 hours. So final answer, take note that the number must be in front, 2.5x. We don't need to write the units in this case since everything is in algebra. Alright, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.